This clip is from Roberto Capodieci in Italy, who parked his Tesla Model 3 to go visit a friend at work. Roberto had parked his car on the side of the street in a designated parking spot, with cars parked both in front of and behind his car. When Roberto came back 15 minutes later, he found that his car had been damaged and that a few people had stopped the driver who had hit his Tesla. Here you can see people running out of the office building. And here we see the truck driver checking on the damage. The truck was from Belarus and the trailer was licensed in Belgium, complicating the insurance claim. Roberto says it took almost a year to receive an insurance settlement. The accident happened in June of 2019, and as of July of 2020, almost all expenses have been covered, except for Roberto's own time spent working on the claim.
Wham! Bam! Teslacam! I hope you're satisfied!
This clip from Washington State was submitted by McNareddit. This low-flying American bald eagle was coincidentally following another Model 3. This wasn't McNareddit's first close encounter with wildlife in his Tesla Model 3. Here he shows us how to sneak up on a bear in an electric car. This video from Italy was sent in by Simon BUTZBACK Bastian. Simon is from Denmark, but was on vacation in Italy in his Tesla Model 3 when he was going up a small road and almost hit a porcupine. This video was sent in by Richard from Chicago. Strike one. Strike two. While both the front and rear passenger doors definitely hit the car, fortunately there was no noticeable damage. This happened to Richard's Tesla Model X just 2 weeks after he got it. Starting on September 1st, 2019, all electric cars built for the US market must come with a pedestrian warning system, or PWS, to meet legal requirements. The pedestrian warning system consists of a speaker mounted on the vehicle that plays an audible tone when the vehicle is moving slowly, up to 19 miles per hour, in either drive or reverse to alert nearby pedestrians of the car's presence in low-speed situations. Robert's Tesla Model 3 was made before this requirement went into effect and doesn't have this warning system, and here we see a potential consequence of driving a nearly silent car.